Good evening, Mr. Abakan. Thank you for attending tonight in our meeting. Tonight, we will be discussing about your current problem in your health. The title of our health teaching tonight is Breathe. And what is the purpose of this uh, health teaching? To inform the patient to promote better respiratory health and improve quality of life. And the goal is to provide the client with essential knowledge and understanding about asthma. This is the table for our teaching tonight. The learning objectives, content, teaching a teaching methodology and visual aids and evaluation. Um, we will be discussing the meaning of asthma, identify the risk factor of asthma, then enumerate pathologic process involving asthma, recognize the sign and symptoms of asthma. List common practice to asthma triggers. With this health teaching, I will be showing a PowerPoint to be guided and in our teaching. This is the PowerPoint for our health teaching tonight. It's all about asthma. This is the learning content. What is asthma? Symptoms, causes, diagnosis, treatment, and living with. What is asthma? For you, Mr. Abakan, when you heard asthma, what is comes to your mind?
um, Difficulty in breathing.
Ah, okay. Asthma is a lung condition which affects all age, but usually start in childhood. Asthma causes minor to significant breathing difficulties, tipping, depending on a patient. It is caused by the airways narrowing. There is currently no cure, but symptoms can be managed with the treatment. It said asthma comes when you are a childhood, like in your genes, when s- someone in your family have story of asthma, it will develop it. Then asthma is a kind of illness that blocking the airways to the oxygen to go to your blood. That's why it's hard to breathe. Then next, the symptoms of asthma. General symptoms: wheezing, breathlessness, excessive coughing, tightening in chest. Then symptoms of asthma attack: severe wheezing and breathlessness, fast breathing, fast heartbeat, drowsiness, loose blue lips. Um, Mr. Aban, is okay with you? I will be showing you a video about understanding the pathologic about asthma. Your it it tells that it, it highlights that uh, there are different kinds of acute asthma, and it emphasizes that how to prevent different kind of acute asthma, and by rating the physiologic process. Then we proceed to recognizing the sign and symptoms of asthma. We're going back to the point. This is the sign and symptoms. Next, next the causes of asthma. Why asthma triggered and what is the cause of asthma? Asthma causes the exact cause of asthma is still unknown. But research suggests the volume factor could increase the chance of getting asthma. Yan. First, through genetics. When in your family, like your mother or father has past history about asthma, then it will possible to develop with you or in other parts of the family. Then pollution, like um in polluted area like in the city, then having an allergy related to condition like you you have allergy to like something allergy that can trigger your asthma. Then lastly, you are exposed sa mga taong mga nag-smoke. It can be because also of having asthma. Then next, list the common practice to avoid asthma. And I show you a video clip again. What is the common practices to avoid or to trigger asthma? This is short, but it will help you to understand more about that is the common practices that help prevent or to lessen the triggerness of asthma when you experience. And next, explain the importance of having knowledge about asthma. When you have knowledge about asthma, um, it will help to recognize and to understand the treatment immediately, and you will be managed or prevent the possible symptoms will be parang lumala. Like, mas lumala pa yung asthma mo na mas maagapan mo agad. And this is the other example or um, uh, kagamitan na can prevent the trigger of asthma. First, yung mga common na ginagamit natin, inhaler. Yung binabalahan ng salbutamol tapos inaano natin sa bibig natin para umayos yung paghinga natin. Then, tablet injection, ito yung pag severe na yung asthma mo na ini-injection na para gumaan yung pakiramdam. Then, this is the best complementary therapies like breathing in exercise and relaxation technique. Next, for the conclusion, um, this is to end up with this. This is the Bible verse about your problem and how how to protect our body from illness. This is the memory verse. It is came from Corinthians 6:19 to 20. It says, "Do not know that your bodies are the temple of Holy Spirit, who is in you, whom you have received from God, who are you, your own. You were bought at a price. Therefore, honor God with your bodies." Yan. For the pagtatapos, after pala nito, may quiz tayo to recall what are mga tinalakay natin about SAS. Yan. About sa memory verse na to na even though we are um, uh, a person na we're not perfect, na lahat ng tao nagkakasakit, lahat ng tao makasalanan. Kasi because of sin, dahil sa kasalanan, kaya ang mga tao nagkakasakit. That's why sin is very kaya we need to protect our body from the possible um illness come to us. Yan, for our short quiz, it is all about multiple choice what are discussed earlier. Number one, can and tagdan you guess lang what your recall to you about the study. Um, Number one, what is asthma? A, digestive disorder. B, a long-term condition, airways in the lungs. C, skin infection. D, a short-term of lung condition. What is asthma? There, Abakay. What is your answer? Only
Letter
letter.
letter D.
What?
Letter D.
D? Number two, which organ does asthma primarily affect?
Lungs. C.
Number three, what happens to the airways during an asthma episode?
They become inflamed and narrow. C.
Letters. Number four, which is the following common symptoms of asthma?
Wheezing.
Easy. Number five, which is the following considered a trigger for asthma?
Uh, Pollen and dust.
Number six, asthma is considered a what kind of condition?
Um, A.
A.
Tama.
Chronic. Number seven, what is the key pathologic feature of asthma is? Like we discussed earlier, what is the
Letter
pathologic
C.
C?
Bronchial hyperactivity.
Um, Number eight, what can help people manage their asthma effectively?
Taking prescribed medical medication regularly.
Letter C. Number nine, which is the following should asthma patient avoid? Patients avoid.
Smoke of any kind. Letter B.
Last number. What is the important to have knowledge about asthma?
Letter C. To recognize symptoms, avoid triggers, and manage properly.
Let's check. What E. Number one, B. Number two, what is number two? C. Correct. Number three and four. What is three and four? It's letter C. Three and four, letter C. Five and six, B and A. Five and six, B, A. Seven and eight, C, B. Nine and 10. What is nine and 10? B, C. That's good. You have only one mistake. You recall what we discussed earlier. Thank you for participating in the health teaching. I hope you understand and you will apply when your asthma triggered, what you're going to do, what is the cause of asthma, and what is the importance of having knowledge about asthma. And don't forget that always pray to God, and God will help you what your circumstances happen to your life. And that's all, Mr. Abakan. Thank you for participating with me. I appreciate your kindness and your being uh, a good person. That's all, and thank you again.